Namaste! Welcome to Beginner's Yoga for your lymphatic system to help remove toxins and cleanse your body. For this practice, you will need 2 blocks or grab 2 thick, heavy books. Now, if you don't have any props with you, no worries. I'll show you other ways how to make the poses your own so they work for you. Then come towards the front of your yoga mat. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, and I'm going to turn around so you can see me better. So stand with your feet hip-width apart. As you inhale, flip your palms open and circle your arms up. Then keep breathing, lengthen your spine, and then lengthen one arm up as if you're picking apples from the tree, and then the other arm. So keep alternating arms, stretching out your side body, stretching out your armpits. In your armpits there are a lot of lymph nodes, and this stretching will help a healthy flow in your lymphatic system. And then bend your elbows and grab hold of the opposite elbow. For sundials, take a deep breath in. As you exhale, take a side body stretch towards your right side. Bend your knees and then keep going down towards a forward fold. So round your spine, come all the way down, keep your knees bent, then breathe in and come towards your left side, side body stretch, and then all the way up. So keep breathing and do 2 more of these sundials. As you exhale, dive to your right side, keep going to a forward fold. As you inhale, come to your side body stretch on your left, keep going, stand up tall, and the last one, last sundial. It's a good way to stretch your whole body. And come back to center. Beautiful. Switching sides, take a deep breath, lengthen your spine, exhale, dive to your left side, keep your chest open, then begin to round your spine, keep your knees bent, forward fold, take a deep breath in, from your forward fold, go to your right side body stretch, all the way up, to standing up tall. As you exhale, diving to your left side, keep going, rounding your spine, all the way down, forward bend, and as you inhale, side body stretch on your right side to standing up tall. And the last one, as you exhale, diving to your left side, keep going. Work with your breath as you're opening up your spine in all directions, opening your chest and armpits. And then slowly come back to center. Great. So I'm going to turn back now. So you're standing at the top of your yoga mat. Release your arms, and at the same time, start to fold forward as you exhale, bend your knees, and grab hold of your blocks. So your feet are hip-width apart, knees are bent, and slowly lower your upper body and your head all the way down. Relax your neck, keep your eyes open, and shift your weight slightly forward so you're not hanging back too much towards your heels, but a little bit more forward towards the balls of your feet. And if you want, you can grab hold of the opposite elbow, so clasp your elbows. This way you're really hanging from your hips, and you can gently nod yes or shake your head no. Release any neck tension. Allow your spine to lengthen. Feel free to move from side to side, just gentle sways, slow and mindful movements. Then come back to center and slowly release your hands. Begin to bend your knees deeply. Grab hold of your blocks if you have those. Keep them close by. We're going to runner's lunge, so step out with your right foot to the back. Make sure that your left knee is right above your left ankle. Adjust your blocks or place your hands next to your front foot, framing your front foot into your runner's lunge. Take a few deep breaths. There's a lot happening here. Good stretch for your left hip flexor and your groin. In this area, there's a big concentration of lymph nodes, and stretching will help promote a healthy flow in your lymphatic system. And then we're going to stretch out. So if your hands are on blocks, place your hands on the floor and walk your hands towards the front of your yoga mat. Reach forward, and at the same time, drive through your back heel. Keep lengthening forward and back, giving your whole body a good stretch. And then slowly walk your hands back, frame your left foot. Keep your right hand on a block by the inside of your left foot or on the floor. As you breathe in, lift your left arm up, rotate your chest open towards your left side, breathe deeply in your easy twist pose. Twists are a beautiful way to help your body detox and rinse. It stimulates your digestive system. And then as you exhale, lower your left hand down. Then bend your right knee, place your right knee on the floor, and slowly, mindfully step your left foot back. Come on all fours. With your knees directly under your hips, your wrists directly under your shoulders, fan out your fingers wide. As you inhale, drop your belly, lift your chin for cow pose. Exhale, round your spine, chin to your chest. Again, inhale, arch your spine, open your chest, lift your gaze. Exhale, round and contract, press the earth away. One more cat-cow pose. Inhale, drop your belly, look forward. Exhale, cat pose, rounding your back. Good job. Come back to neutral spine. And then we're going to switch sides. Begin to step your right foot forward, and you can give yourself a hand by holding onto your right foot and dragging it a little bit forward in between your hands. Plant your hands on the outsides of your right foot or hold on to your blocks. Curl your left toes under, lift your left knee up, straighten out your left leg, or keep a soft bend in your left knee in your runner's lunge. Hold it right here, so your hands are either on blocks or on the floor. Breathe deeply. Make sure that your right knee is right above your right ankle. And then slowly walk your hands forward, lower your head down. Keep lengthening out your arms. You can come onto your fingertips and at the same time drive through your back heel. Keep lengthening and keep breathing. Give your whole body a good stretch. And then walk your hands back, frame your front foot. Keep your left hand by the inside of your right foot. As you breathe in, raise your right arm up for easy twist pose. Rotate and open your chest towards your right side. Breathe deeply. As you exhale, lower your right hand down. Lower your left knee. Slowly and mindfully, step your right knee back. Come on all fours. You can put your blocks aside for now. Keep your knees directly under your hips. And then from here, walk your hands out towards the front of your yoga mat. Melt your heart down towards the earth and place your forehead on the ground in puppy pose. Lengthen your spine, breathe deeply. Allow your chest to open, stretch out your whole back body. As you inhale, walk yourself back up. Slowly take a seat. And then bring your legs forward. Keep one block close by. Sit with your knees up and then very slowly lower yourself down. You can come onto your elbows and then from there lie down on your back. Head is in the center. Then grab your block. Walk your feet closer to your bum so your heels are almost touching your bum. And then place your block underneath your sacrum. It's that bone, that triangle-shaped bone in between your hip bones and right above your tailbone. Take a few deep breaths in supported bridge pose. Keep your arms along your body, or you can lengthen your arms above your head, rest them on the floor. So take a moment to let your body settle. So now your heart is a little bit above your head and there's a mild inversion. This is really helpful for your blood circulation. Supported bridge pose is a wonderful way to add a gentle inversion by raising your heart and bring it a little bit above your head, so that will help your blood circulation. You can stay here, or you can follow me into legs up the wall pose. You can keep your block where it is under your sacrum, and then slowly lengthen one leg up, and then the other one. You can keep a soft bend in your knees, and then find that right position where it takes the least effort to keep your legs up. This is legs up the wall pose, but without a wall. You can keep your arms above your head, or bring your arms along your body, whatever is comfortable for you. And then take a moment to find stillness. Find stillness in your body, find stillness in your mind, and let gravity do the work. And then slowly to come out, bend your knees, bring your knees down towards your chest. You can take the block away from under your sacrum. And then for corpse pose Shavasana, to finish our practice together, you can use the blocks and place them under your knees. You have to angle them a little bit, and I'll show you right here the best way to do it. This way there's flexion in your knee, and that will help release any low back tension. Then bring your arms along your body. Head is in the center. Take a moment to fidget and get as comfortable as possible to stay here for a few minutes to rest. Take 5 deep cleansing breaths and allow your body to soften and melt into Shavasana. Allow your body to take in and digest all the benefits of all the stretches and poses we did. We will be here for about a minute. Continue breathing deeply, or allow your breath to flow naturally. Feel free to stay here for as long as you like. And if you're ready, begin to invite movement into your hands, your fingers, your feet and your toes. Deepen your breath. Stretch yourself out, and then very slowly roll over to your right side into a fetal position. From there, gently push yourself up and come into a cross-legged position to seal our practice together. Then take a moment, seated in cross-legged position with your palms resting on your thighs or on your knees, and check in with yourself. Notice how you feel. Then let's seal our practice together. As you breathe in, circle your arms up. As you breathe out, unite your hands and draw your hands down in front of your heart in prayer position. Take a moment to thank yourself for taking this time to take care of your health and your well-being. And thank you so much for joining me. May this practice be a blessing to you, from my heart to yours. Thank you so much for watching. Get your free Blissful Morning Guide right now by clicking the first link below this video. Just enter your name and email and I'll instantly send it to you. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for new yoga and meditation videos every Tuesday. And let me know how this video went for you. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Like this video, share it with your friends, and I look forward to seeing you soon again. Bye for now.